Hey guys, this is Fundam on Anshuparaman. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Spamandla is on Sbonelo. He wants to start their deal after Spamandla takes Sbonelo to South Africa. And it seems like Sbonelo is forgetting their deal that Spamandla he will take Sbonelo out of Nigeria, while Sbonelo will bring the commuter and code of it. Nomaswazi is not ready to throw in the towel yet to make Mtambisi see by all over the world that he is a big prime. Konzi become Kazmulo confidence. Bata is on a hunting for the culprit who fake his product. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.